Hi friends, this is Manish Pandey. Welcome back to another video series on UiPath Storage Buckets. I will show you how to use read storage text activity in UiPath Studio. To perform this demo, I will show you how to use Deserialize JSON activity and read the information from JSON file. So let's get started. Let's search for read storage text. This one. Let's drag and drop here. Now this read storage text activity is used to directly read the contents of a text file stored in a UiPath storage bucket without downloading it to your local system. And it allows you to read text based files like text file, JSON file, CSV file, etc. We will take a JSON file, we will upload this JSON file to storage bucket, and then using this read storage text we will read the contents of the JSON file, and then using deserialize JSON activity, we will convert the data from a string to object, and then I will show you, I will get the records from JSON file. So this is the example of JSON file. So let's save this, save as, select all file, type here API, or it can be config JSON file dot JSON. This is the file type. Save it. Okay, now this is saved. Let's go to that folder where we have saved this file. So this has been saved and the type is JSON source file. Now let's upload this file. So this has been uploaded to the storage buckets. Okay, now we'll move to the UiPath Studio. So from here in the path, we need to enter the path of that file. So we'll write here double quotes slash, that is the root folder, and then copy this name, paste here. Okay, so this file we are going to read it from root folder in the storage buckets. Now storage bucket name we need to pass. So this is the storage bucket name. Let's enter here. Right side, enter the folder path. This is orchestrator folder path. Now in the results, so we'll take this control K, and then this is storage text output. This is created as a variable type string. We'll have to take deserialize JSON, this one, and for this you have to install uipath.webapi.activities, this package, then only you can access these activities. So let's take this one. Now here JSON string, we need to pass this storage text output, which is string. So this accepts string value and then convert this data, this value, to the JSON object. So let's create one object. So this is storage text storage JSON object. Okay, now let's take here one message box so that I can show you the data. Now I want to get the value of email from the JSON. I want this value, so we need to use email. So what we can do, first we need to take this storage JSON object, storage JSON object, open close bracket. Now you can see here dot item of key as a object. In the double quotes we can paste it, this one. Or what we can do, you can also do it like same as suggested, dot item and open close bracket double quotes email. You can do it like that. Now let's run this. So this will give you email ID, email address of from the JSON contents, this one. Okay, you can see here we got this email ID user@example.com. So you notice here that without downloading the JSON file, we can read the JSON file, read the contents from storage buckets using read storage text, and then we can get the value from there. So you learned how to use read storage text activity, you learned about the JSON file, you learned how to use deserialize JSON activity, and how to get value from JSON file. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more UiPath videos. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.